Enjoy, find time for kindness, and use plastic responsibly.
Hey there, Jona Rose back again. This time, we're adding a new member to our 3D printed garden tool collection, a trowel, and we're doing it with some sparkle, thanks to this glitter PLA. Started at 11, and by around 1, our trowel was ready to dig in. That's just under 2 hours for a handy garden tool. So what's the cost for this glittery creation? For a 40-gram trowel, it's about 80 cents with a $20 spool, and $1.20 with the pricier $30 spool. Remember, infill and customizations can swing your costs depending on what your garden demands. Why a trowel though? Unlike the spade, a trowel is perfect for transplanting, bedding plants and herbs, digging small holes, and even weeding. It's a must-have for any gardener. Do you need one? If you love gardening, absolutely. It complements the spade, each serving its unique purpose. What's next? A blue PETG hand rake is on the horizon. Stay tuned to see how that turns out. If you're enjoying these garden adventures, remember to LCS. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let's keep growing together.